promise ko na wala nang sikretong pagbili ng Shopee. Yun. Malalaman mo na lahat agad pagka-deliver.
Love, I love you so much.
Kung parang hindi seryoso. Sige, ma'am.
But God is always there for the both of you, whatever your needs, even protection, guidance, or even thanksgiving or request, ang Diyos ay laging nasa inyo. Kaya nga, simula ngayong araw, isang babae lamang ang para kay Almar at isang lalaki lamang ang para kay Nadine simula ngayong araw. Dahil simula ngayon, tanging Diyos lamang dapat ang magiging gitna ng inyong pagsasama. There is no other third party sa inyong pagsasama. Tanging Diyos lamang, Almar, God, and Nadine only. Kaya napaka-importante that Lord be the center and be the foundation of your relationship.
I'll never stop chasing your heart. My love is yours to hold. Through every high, every low, our love will only grow. And I'll be here when the sun sets. And I'll be here till I final breath. My love is all for you.
Magkaklase kami ng high school from first year to second year.
And then, I left the school pagdating ng third year, fourth year. Wala na kaming contact. And then, after college, second year college, doon lang ulit kami nagkaroon ng contact. We got in touch and then naging friends ulit kami.
Yun, doon na ulit nag-start na parang niligawan ko siya, ganun. Or niligawan niya ako.
Nagtrabaho ako sa Malaysia and then nagpunta siya sa Abu Dhabi. So, wala na ulit kaming communication. So, during pandemic.
Tapos yun, nandito na tayo ngayon.
So, during pandemic yun. We got in touch na the rest is history.
I love you the most. I'll always be there right by your side to say I love you and I need you and see I die for you. I never knew it would be
Maganda siya. Yes. Most of all, siguro, nagustuhan ko sa kanya. Kaya niya ako i-guide. Ganun. Parang, kaya niyang ituro kung saan yung dapat or saan yung hindi.
Well, matagal ko na kasi siyang kilala, pero sabi ko na baka iyakin ko. May care siya sa parents niya and sa mom niya. So, nung nakita ko, parang, I know na ganun din yung magiging trato sa akin. Yun.
I'll always be there right by your side. You say I love you and I need you and say I die for you. Just give me forever.
Iano ko lang na, ihingi ko lang ng sorry kasi madalas ko kasi siyang iniinis and effective, naiinis talaga siya. So, ayun, sorry.
Napayak ko.
Meron ba?
Actually, wala naman. Yung lang, past few days, sobrang sungit ko sa kanya. Nung nag-aasikaso ng before this day. So yun, sorry.
The sound be heard. Let the songs be sung. I have found the one that this heart loves. Let the veil be torn. Save yourself.
I owe her kung nasan man ako ngayon.
for ano lang, laging nandun. Kasi pag may kailangan ako, ganyan, nandyan siya lagi.
Promise ko sa'yo na alagaan kita, alagaan mo rin ako syempre, and bibigay ko lahat ng pagmamahal na nararapat para sa'yo.
Love, I promise that no matter what, I'll always be here for you. I know we've been through tough times na, and hindi rin yung, meron pa mga dadating in the future. And I know that I'll always be here for you.
I will love you for the rest of our lives, and promise ko na aalagaan kita, and syempre I'll make sure na maging haligi ng tahanan natin to raise our family strong and healthy.
And I'm giving you my hand now, and I'll be yours till the sun burns out, until our hearts are barely beating. I'm gonna stay right where we are until we're old and barely breathing, till death do us part, till death do us part. On and on.
I vow to love you through challenges, even when I annoy you with my little habits. In those moments, I promise to listen, grow, and always find my way back to you. No matter the obstacles or the frustrations, I will stand by you, laugh with you, and laugh at you sometimes, and keep loving you more each day. Together, we can face anything.
I promise to love you even when you leave your socks in random places, or whenever idlip lang ako pero 8 hours talaga yun. I vow to be your biggest fan, partner in crime, and the one who laughs at your terrible jokes most of the time.
With this hand, I will lift your sorrows. Your cup will never be empty, for I will be your coffee. With a candle, I will light up your way in darkness. With this ring, I ask you to be mine. Love, I love you. Mahal na mahal kita.
I promise to stand by you when life gets tough. Alam mo yan. With you, everything feels like an adventure, and I can't wait to tackle the rest of the life's quirks, surprises, and joys together. So you're my favorite person and my best friend, and the one I'll be happy to annoy for the rest of my life. I love you. Love, I love you so much.
You may now kiss your beloved wife, Nadine, sa oras na ito.
You look like the rest of my life. You look like the rest of my life. I knew from the start your heart fit into mine. You look like the rest of my life.